Yo, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Las Vegas vlog. Yesterday we went, what did we do? Oh yeah, yesterday we went to Omnia nightclub, and that's pretty much all we really did, and that's why I didn't really vlog. But today we're gonna head over to the Wynn buffet. Now I want to see how good that place is. I think it's $29 per person, so hopefully this place is actually worth it. It's a nice day outside. I'm gonna take you guys along, get some nice food, show you guys some shots there, and then at night we're gonna head over to Fremont Street. Now I actually have no idea what Fremont Street is like. I don't know what's there, I don't know what's good. Our tour guide for Las Vegas, Ali over here, fixing up his shoes. He says that Fremont's good. So like, yeah, what's actually at Fremont? Because I have no idea.
So it's pretty much the old downtown, and then there's just that giant ass strip that has like a nice like TV style TV style roof. Then like there's shows, there's lighting stuff. Oh shit, it's pretty cool. Yeah.
Oh, nice. So I think today the main things you're gonna see today is number one, the food at Wynn. I'm excited to see what that buffet is like, and two, there's gonna be a lot of B-roll at Fremont. So I'm really excited. And also because I want to test out the low light capabilities of this camera. That's one thing that I've been seeing. So right now I'm using the Sony A7III, and what I hear is that the low light is actually really good. So I'm gonna put it to the test tonight at Fremont. Wait, was excited to eat or what?
Yeah, man.
Oh, look who's vlogging today, huh?
Yo, where's your camera, bro?
I vlogged yesterday. Today's a day off. That's right.
It's been a solid what? Dude, it's been way over 24 hours.
What? Pizza last night.
Oh wait, the pizza. Oh, just kidding. Oh, I totally forgot. We did have pizza last night. That's what I forgot to do. We did have pizza though.
So last night, right? We went to the Omnia. It was pretty sick. I learned last night that Vegas clubs are like Calgary, way upscale. People are a lot meaner. No one says sorry when they bump into you. Your boy got kind of frustrated at times. I was grumpy. I had pizza, hungover today. Hopefully, I feel better after we eat. So.
Yeah, we did go to Omnia last night to see Steve Aoki. But damn, shots, $21. Yeah, now we're just waiting for our shuttle. We're pretty sure our shuttle just left us. So, yeah, I guess we're waiting, and then we'll see you guys at the Wynn. We're finally here, now we can finally eat. Let's do it. I had to buy a $14 shirt because they didn't let me in because I was wearing a tank top. It's pretty bullshit, but it's okay. We're gonna enjoy it anyways. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna eat, have some fun, get some shots for you guys. Let's go eat.
Boys, let's get it. Let's go.
I think now we're gonna go to the mall, shop around a little bit. But I think I'm not gonna vlog too much for now. I think most likely I'm gonna jump right into tonight at Fremont Street. Is that right? Let's pronounce it right?
Fremont Street.
Yeah. Mostly I'll catch you guys at Fremont Street.
AKA Hooker Lane.
AKA Hooker Lane. Okay, no. Anyways, yeah, maybe I'll do a little bit of B-roll at the mall, you know, going to the mall, whatever. But most likely, catch you guys at Fremont Street. Let's go.